Struggling to see the road clearly at night? Here are the 5 best headlight bulbs for night driving, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Sylvania H11 Extra Vision. The Sylvania H11 Extra Vision caught my attention right away, especially at a price of $42.02 for 2 bulbs. If you want improved visibility without the glare, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These bulbs enhance downroad visibility, meaning you'll see further ahead without blinding other drivers. The robust filament design combined with a proprietary gas mixture allows these bulbs to perform reliably, which is crucial when you're relying on them during those dark, twisty roads. Plus, with over 9,000 sold in just the past month, it's clear that many drivers are already trusting these bulbs for their night drives. Now, some people complain that they don't last as long as they'd hope. Here's the thing though, while halogen bulbs do dim over time, that's just the nature of the technology. If you replace them in pairs, you'll maintain consistent lighting, which is more than worth it for safety. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, dependable bulb that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you want something that lasts forever without replacement, as these will require attention after a while. But for the price, they offer outstanding value. Now, if the lifespan of the Sylvania H11 Extra Vision bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even brighter output. Product number 2, Sylvania 9005 Extra Vision. Next up is the Sylvania 9005 Extra Vision, priced at $24.68. What grabbed my attention is its promise of enhanced downroad visibility without glare, making it ideal for night driving. With the same high-performance halogen technology, this bulb enhances your line of sight significantly. Plus, over 7,000 of these have sold recently, showing they're popular among drivers seeking better night vision. However, some users have mentioned that installation can be tricky. Here's the thing. If you double-check your vehicle's compatibility before purchasing, you can avoid that hassle. For most drivers, this isn't a deal-breaker but something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still boosts visibility. Skip this one if you have a vehicle with complex lighting setups, as it might require more effort to install. Overall, it provides excellent value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want maximum brightness. Product number 3, Terminator H7H7LL bulbs. Now let's talk about the Terminator H7H7LL bulbs, which are priced at $54.29. The first thing that stood out to me is their insane brightness, 50,000 lumens at 6500 K. Imagine being able to see 900% further than your typical halogen bulbs. This means reacting faster to road hazards and having a clearer view of what's ahead. With their ultra-slim design, these bulbs focus light effectively, minimizing glare for oncoming drivers, which is super important for safety on dark roads. Plus, they're compatible with over 98% of vehicles. That's a big win. However, a few users have reported that they require a CAN bus decoder for certain vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you check your vehicle's needs beforehand, you can easily avoid any compatibility issues. This is perfect for you if you prioritize brightness and clarity in your night driving. Skip this one if your vehicle is particularly sensitive to lighting changes, as you may need extra components. For the power and longevity, it's worth every penny. Now, if you wanted a premium option but were worried about complexity, the next choice offers a great mix of performance and ease of use. Product number 4, Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision. The Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision is priced at $22.13 and caught my eye for its balance of performance and affordability. If you want reliable visibility without the hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. This bulb also enhances downroad visibility, similar to the other Sylvania options. With over 3,000 sold recently, it's clear that many drivers are choosing this for dependable lighting. Some buyers noted that they wish for a slightly brighter output. Here's the deal. While they may not be the brightest on the market, they do offer a solid and safe option for everyday driving. If you're not racing at night, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you simply want a reliable bulb that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for the brightest lights possible, as there are stronger options available. For the price, it's a great value that won't disappoint. Now, if you're still looking for the brightest option, the next one could be just what you need. Product number 5, Terminator H11H9 bulbs. Lastly, we have the Terminator H11H9 bulbs at $77.52, which offer a whopping 70,000 lumens of brightness. If you want the brightest and best for your night drives, this is worth a serious look. With their 1-1 halogen design, these bulbs provide an incredible beam pattern without dark spots, ensuring you can see everything on the road ahead. The advanced cooling system allows for a longer lifespan of over 85,000 hours, so you won't be replacing them constantly. Plus, they're Ca-N-Bus ready, eliminating flickering or error messages. That's a huge plus. However, some users mention their high price as a drawback. Here's the thing. If you're someone who drives a lot at night or in poor visibility conditions, the investment can pay off significantly in safety and clarity. This is perfect for you if you prioritize top-tier performance and longevity in your lighting. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for a cheaper alternative that still gets the job done. It's a solid investment for those who want the absolute best. Now that we've covered all the options, let's wrap up and find out which one stands out among these. So we've gone through 5 headlight bulbs, each offering something unique for your night driving needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Terminator H11H9 bulbs because they provide the brightest light and longest lifespan for those serious about visibility. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision if you're looking for maximum brightness. They just don't cut it compared to the others on this list. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.